one of the most common questions I feel like I've been answering lately about clinical trials is there a placebo in my clinical trial? You know, am I going to get randomized to maybe a sugar pill or a non-effective therapy? I definitely understand that question and the concern. And I feel fortunate that in oncology, we don't run a lot of those sham placebo-controlled arms. Typically, we're controlling against what we think is the standard of care. So we're essentially taking the standard efforts in melanoma, whether that's targeted therapy, immunotherapy, whatever it is, and we're saying, can we enhance, can we get something better? So a clinical trial may be one of those types of treatments, only something else added to it. Or it might be entirely different treatment, but the comparator arm that you would get randomized to is the standard treatment. So that's really important for me to make sure that the melanoma patients know that we're not signing them up A, to be guinea pigs, or B, to get no therapy for their melanoma. The only place where that might be reasonable is, say, in the adjuvant setting, where your melanoma is resected. We're not sure that everybody needs treatment in that setting, and many patients observe their melanoma from that point on, in which case a placebo option or observation is a reasonable choice. But once you have metastatic melanoma, we don't do placebo trials where you're getting no treatment for your melanoma. The other things I think that are important to know about research is that's where the goalpost gets moved, you know, and that's how we develop new treatments, new drugs. That's how we improve the 5-year survival in melanoma in just a decade, from 20% at 5 years with metastatic melanoma to now approaching 80%. We inverted those numbers, and that was purely because we had research, we had interesting research, great drug development, and, you know, willing participants who were willing to say, you know, let's see if this works for me.